Grasshopper's Gross Lunch, written by Elise Sweeney. Day after day, the green grasshopper grazed. Most of the time, Grasshopper grazed on green leaves. Sometimes he grazed on grass. But Grasshopper was tired of grazing on green leaves and grass. "I'm going to eat new food today," he said. Then he hopped into the forest. Readers, I want you to stop here and think about, what is the problem in this story? Respond in your reader's notebook, in your Google Doc, or however your teacher has told you they want you to respond to reading. You can pause this as you respond. Grasshopper grinned when he saw all the new food to eat. "Maybe these green berries will taste great," said Grasshopper. "Gross," he groaned. He hopped to find something else to eat. "Maybe these gray nuts will taste great," said Grasshopper. "Gross," he groaned, hopping on. "Maybe the sweet honey will taste great," said Grasshopper. "Gross," he groaned. "I'm hopping home to graze on green leaves and grass," said the grumpy Grasshopper. Readers, I'm noticing that the grasshopper has tried lots of different foods to eat, but each time he tried a new food, he thought it was gross. And now he's grumpy. I want you to jot down, what are some of the reasons that Grasshopper might be grumpy? You can press pause to make your response, and then continue listening when you're ready. At home, Grasshopper greeted his friends. He said, "I just ate berries, nuts, and honey. Those foods aren't great for grasshoppers like me. They're gross," he said. His friends said, "Don't you know? Green leaves and grass are the greatest foods for grasshoppers. Be glad you're a grasshopper," they said. Now Grasshopper always grins as he grazes on green leaves and grass. The end. So readers, I want you to jot down, how was the grasshopper's problem solved in this story? What was the solution or the resolution to the grasshopper's problem? Go ahead and jot that down.